It's me, Fred. I am not good at first introductions, and quite frankly, I do not want to waste your time anymore, so let's hop right into it. Or, well, first let me tell you what I'm about to do. Why did I say that like it was a question? I'm going to be showing you the ways of Nomad Sculpt. Now, I'm not exactly a professional, in fact, I'm still kind of a beginner, but I have figured out some of the basics. This is for all the Nomad users with low attention spans. Let's do this.
In the beginning.
So here we have our little circle, the default setting. Watch me jiggle this like it's your dad's left nut. Notice how all these squares make a circle.
All these squares make a circle. All these squares make a circle. All these squares make a circle. How did all these squares make a circle?
Onions have layers.
This is your layer. You can add and select your model. That triangle up there is the mirror, or the symmetry. You do not have to hit show line unless you're gonna give you a moment to process that. Now onto voxels. Now when we go back over to this corner, we're gonna see this pyramid. We're gonna click on that pyramid and then head over to voxels. You wanna keep the voxels between 150 and 200. That's so we can shape our little buddy. Higher voxels should be saved for details for later.
Miska, Muska, Mickey.
When I like to start shaping, I like to use the move tool. It's going to be the third option from the, I believe, the left. The inflate brush is also pretty good. However, it can sometimes cause some issues, which you're about to see right there. Yeah, see that? That's some fucky-wucky shit. You don't want that. Next is a smooth tool. Now peep how my voxels say 222. At low voxels, the smooth brush is a lot stronger, and it will smooth out any details you have on there. If you do not want to lose any details to the smoother, you'll just have to up the voxels. My favorite number to go to for high details is 600. Not only do you not erase your details through smoothing, but you can also add a lot more intricate details. Now sometimes you might want to smooth some things out all the way, so you can always go back to the original voxels. Next we have the brush tool. It kind of speaks for itself. Look at it. It's talking the talk. Now peep that little sub button. You'll want to click that. Watch what it does.
Oh my god! Wow!
Next is drag. It's literally right next to move. It is slightly different in that it's more pointed. Voxels also affect how well it comes out. I definitely say have it on high voxels if you want super detailed drag. This is called a gizmo. It helps you move your little thing around. Yeah, a little tidbit, that little orange yellow thing surrounding the whole thing helps resize it. So now I have two shapes, but I want to merge them together. So I'm going to hit the two boxes, have them check marked, and then I'm going to hit the join. So my two shapes have joined the same layer, however it is not completely merged. So what you're going to do is remesh. There, now it's all meshed together. Next we have Crease. Crease is my personal favorite as it gives these special little details.
I'm gonna crease your J the Spider-Man.
This brush also has an option of a sub button. It lets you do this. Hold on. Do this. Hell yeah. Now, voxels also play a role in this shit as well. You want to have the voxels up if you want some really good, not smoothed out creases.
Yeah, arigato.
Now the next brush is, funnily enough, layers, unrelated to the shape layers. When I started, I mistaken this for brush. However, they are actually a little different. I'm about to show you. Don't mind the oopsie poopsie, I just forgot to unsub it. Now you'll start to see how rounded it is compared to layer. That's because layer pulls up the wall. Meanwhile, brush only adds to it. Not convinced? Look at these cheeks. That's brush. Smooth, rounded. This is layer. A block. Layer is actually pretty good for eye sockets. I've actually used it on plenty of models. Voxels also play a part in making your eyeballs, so you want to always up your voxel so that way you don't accidentally smooth out your eye hole. The rest of this is just me kind of playing with it. You know, you can go ahead and go nuts, go crazy. You can make limbs out of multiple shapes and fuse them together, etc, etc, etc. But wait, I'm not done. I still have one more thing to show you. No, but please, it's actually pretty important, and it can save your life. Next is saving. You want to make sure that your model is saved, otherwise you'll lose the whole fucking thing. Next is exporting. Select the STL, trust me, you'll need it. Next you want to hit all or visible. This is so you can export the STL of your entire model. If you only have selected, then it's only going to select the selected part. If you don't want to save an entire file and just want to save a picture of your model, just scroll down and just hit Export PNG at the very bottom. If you want a transparent background, just select the box under Render. That's all for now. Bye.